Another Friday at Southeast Softwash. Another Friday. I got the old white tee out. It is hot. My goodness. It's probably about 103 degrees out here. We got a Mini Pro, LumaMax Pro getting loaded up right here. Miss Jasmine's come and hung out with us before. You're back getting your equipment today. How'd we do?
Did good, did great.
When were you here last time? It's been what?
February.
Did you come to Serious Starter? Or is it just a regular training class?
Oh, regular training.
Regular class. Yeah. And you're going back to Pennsylvania, right?
Yep.
That's a long drive. That's a long drive.
Yep.
What do you think of the skid?
I love it.
It looks good on there.
It's good.
Looks really good. Clean truck. This 2,500 or 1,500?
25.
25. You don't have to have a full 2,500 size truck, but it does help with the capacity. You can absolutely run one on a 1,500 size or F-150 size truck. Sending that LumaMax out and get run over by the forklift. Another LumaMax going out. Now this one does not have a pressure washer, so these guys are going to drop their own pressure washer here, which is fine. We don't mind doing that. It's actually less work on us. Save you some money if you've already got a good pressure washer and it's going to fit in that hole. Just get with Jonathan, my sales guy, and put it on yourself. Save a little bit of money. Y'all in the shade. Smart people. And we got a couple trailers going out over here as well. Some, see, 8 gallons? Yeah, some 8 gallons. Smart blend. How'd we do, guys?
Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
Get
a Southeast Softwash.
Get it. Where y'all from? Connecticut. It's a long ride. And where are y'all from?
Pickens, South Carolina.
Pickens. I know where that's at.
Yeah.
And y'all are getting a trailer.
Yes.
So
Yes.
be back home.
Yes.
Who's the young man with y'all? That's your son?
That's our son.
Cool.
Kobe. Yep. He's going to help his dad. I'm heading up north.
There you go. You were nodding along to a lot of the HR stuff and the safety stuff, so
exactly.
Hopefully you can keep them boys straight.
Nah, we will. Believe me.
Thank you, man. Y'all have a good weekend, good trip home. How'd we do?
Good.
Not too bad.
Good time.
And
It's good.
this guy favors you.
It's my son.
It's your son. How'd we do?
Heck yeah, it looks awesome. I'm gonna get my own, I guess, here in a couple months, right?
Yeah, you can get it.
All right.
You like the trailer?
Heck yeah, man. Looks
Y'all
good.
gonna make some money getting a Smart Blend Pro right there.
Yeah.
They're gonna have a pretty easy to operate daily rig. These guys have got a belt drive. We do a lot of gear drive units. We can put a belt drive on there. They're both great. I like a gear drive, but belt drives are good. Belt drives are cheaper when the belt goes out. It's $30. Gearbox goes out, it's $300, but they're both fine. How'd we do?
Good.
Pretty good?
Good day, yep.
Where's
Learned
home?
a lot.
Where's home at?
Missouri. Northwest Missouri.
Yeah, that's a long way. Are you with him or are you just doing training?
I'm just training.
Just training. Where are you from again?
Huntsville.
Yeah, Alabama. I knew it was somewhere in Alabama. Give me some feedback on just the training piece of it.
6.5 stars.
6.5 out of 5. Now look, I could tell by the questions he was asking, he's been doing a lot of homework. So
Oh yeah, a lot of videos.
pretty informed. You're going to be
Watch
fine.
the playlist.
A lot of playlists. All right, got to go pump some bleach. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rigs. And I think the guys sent a rig out midweek, maybe. So maybe 9 rigs. Chems, get your chems, southeastsoftwash.com. Be a link in the description down below. Lots of chems, surfactant, rust, degreaser. Good looking truck right here.
Klaus Larson roof.
Ford, baby. You know I'm a Ford guy. There's the old Ford over there. All right, guys, we're gonna get back in here. Me and Emily were at church camp with the teenagers from church all week, and the younger kids. So we are wore out. We've had no sleep. We've been staying up trying to help our teenagers at church, and it was a good week, but we're behind and we're tired. So we'll see you guys next week. Holla.